We're discussing the formation of alkyl halides. के what are alkyl halides? We will discuss here the chemistry of the alkyl halides here. Alkyl halide. For example, we take the example of a propane which consists of a 3 carbon. Here is the propane. Here is the formula of a propane is written as. And in this case we can see कि there are the two possibilities of this molecule. एक possibility होगी कि n propyl बनेगा और एक possibility होगी isopropyl बनेगा. तो in this case अगर if we remove the terminal hydrogen, in this case we will see कि if we remove that one terminal हाइड्रोजन को अगर हम रिमूव करेंगे तो फॉर्मेशन ऑफ जो है ना एन प्रोपाइड होगी, यानी कि जो कंपाउंड बनेगा उसको हम जो है वो दिस इज़ कॉल्ड एज अ एन प्रोपाइड. और अदरवाइज जो है इसी कंपाउंड में से जो है फॉर एग्जांपल इफ वी टेक द एग्जांपल कि वी रिमूव द सेंट्रल हाइड्रोजन, जैसे कि इन दिस केस वी कैन सी हेयर if the central hydrogen is removed, this one if the central hydrogen is removed, in this case this one is removed, तो this remove and the formation of a isopropyl will form. तो in this case जो compound बनेगा उसको हम जो है वो isopropyl का नाम देंगे. This is called as a isopropyl. यानी कि प्रोपेन में दो पॉसिबिलिटीज़ होती हैं. अगर टर्मिनल हाइड्रोजन रिमूव होता है तो उस केस में जो है वो एन प्रोपाइल बनेगा, और अगर जो है वो जो साइड वाला जो इन बिटवीन यानी कि दो कार्बन के बीच में जो हाइड्रोजन है इफ़ इट इज़ रिमूव, ये रिमूव होगा तो इन दिस केस जो है वो आइसोप्रोपाइल कंपाउंड जो है उसकी फॉर्मेशन होगी. नाउ नेक्स्ट वी डिस्कस द मोर ग्रुप्स. हियर वी कैन सी के दैट इज वी विल सी के here are some common compounds. The name of the some common compounds, the formula of some common compounds are given and we have to identify them. Okay, what are these compounds? For example, here we are going to write the compound CH3, C double bond oxygen and CH3. and in this case we can see कि इसमें जो है here we can see कि this is C double bond oxygen. तो ये क्या ग्रुप होगा, तो इस ग्रुप को हम कहेंगे we will call this one is a ketonic group. This we called as a ketonic group. This is called as ketonic group. On the other hand, if we see the another example, CH3, C double bond oxygen, H2. If we take this example, तो now this is called as a aldehyde group. इसको हम क्या कहते हैं, aldehyde group. This is called as aldehyde group because the terminal जो compound है this is a hydrogen, तो this is called as a aldehydic group or aldehyde group. Now next we take the example of a carboxylic group. Here we see the example of a carboxylic group. This one we see the carboxylic group with a side पे OH, C double bond oxygen, CH2. Now this is called as a carboxylic group. This is called as carboxylic group. This is called the carboxylic group. This is a carboxylic group. Now we take the another example. As we know, CH2 double bond, CH single bond, CH3, this one. Now here we can see the presence of a double bond. तो इस कंपाउंड का नाम जो होगा वो अल्कीन होगा, और बिकॉज इट कंसिस्ट ऑफ अ 3 कार्बन मॉलिक्यूल, तो इसको हम कहेंगे इट्स कॉल्ड एज अ प्रोपीन विच कंटेन अ डबल बॉन्ड इज कॉल्ड एज अ प्रोपीन. हियर वी कैन राइट द फॉर्म नेम ऑफ दिस वन, प्रोपीन. Because a double bond is found, so En is ended. En is add, so this is called as a propene. और इंस्टेंट अगर we see कि अगर इसमें जो है वो डबल बॉन्ड ना हो, प्रेजेंस ऑफ अ सिंगल बॉन्ड हो, like this here we can see. If here जो है सिंगल बॉन्ड इज प्रेजेंट इंस्टेंट ऑफ अ डबल बॉन्ड, तो देन दिस कंपाउंड इज कॉल्ड एज अ प्रोपेन. तब इस कंपाउंड का नाम जो होगा वो होगा प्रोपेन. This is called as a propane. Only for triple bond is present, it is called as a propyne. Now we see the another compound. Here we see the another example. This one we see the another example, CH3O, C double bond oxygen, and CH3. CH3 single bond oxygen, C double bond oxygen, CH3. तो दिस इस कंपाउंड इज कॉल्ड एज अ एस्टर ग्रुप. तो इस कंपाउंड को जो है वो जो नाम दिया जाएगा इसको हम कहेंगे एस्टर ग्रुप. दिस विल बी कॉल्ड एज this will be called as ester group. As we can see, this is called as ester group. Now these are some functional groups which are identified. इसके अलावा जो है there are, if we take the example of ester group, ethyl acetate is a common example of this one. Here we will write down the formula of ethyl acetate. Like this, CH3, C double bond oxygen, C2H5. or here we can see this formula. This one is found, or this is called as this is named as ethyl acetate. This is called as ethyl acetate. So this is the nomenclature of the some compounds.